The story is, last night I was talking to one of my friends and he's looking for a job. So this is what he's doing. From 9 a.m. to noon, 12 p.m. and then from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. he spends total 5.5 hours per day looking for jobs, searching for jobs, applying to jobs, content creation, networking, responding. And after 350 job applications, he only received 3 responses from employers. And he has been doing this for a long time, whereas he could completely automate the whole process, of course using AI. So here is a video. This video was published 1 month before, and in 1 month this video got 27,000 views, so almost 1,000 views per day, while the video creator only has 4,000 subscribers. So do you understand how lucrative the topic is? People actually picked up, and probably a lot of people been trying this method. Now I'm not gonna show you the whole technical details of this video. You can go ahead, watch yourself, try yourself. I'm gonna take you straight to money. So this video is only 18 minutes long. This whole 5.5 hours task can be completely automated using AI, but it has a process. And if you follow this process, it will make you money whether you get a job or not. So step number 1, you watch this video or this kind of videos and actually learn. So L stands for learning. Step number 2 is obvious. If you don't implement, nothing's gonna change. So you have to implement. Okay, before we implement, most of the people stops at the learning process. So let me make it super simple for you. I'm going to go to my AI agent to learn from this video directly in just a couple of seconds. I'm going to copy the video URL, click here. It will ask for the video URL, hit enter, copy the video transcript, paste it here and hit enter. Now AI is summarizing and turning the video into a step-by-step tutorial. You don't really need this AI agent anymore. You can use any free AI platform like ChatGPT, Gemini, QuenChat, DeepSeek, or anything else and do the same thing. The important part is to actually go through the tutorial that you receive, because the only thing I did this way is gave you a shortcut to learn the system. So you have to learn anyway. Now you go and implement it. It's not going to be easy, but it is definitely going to be simple if you try a couple of times. Then comes the hardest part. You have to get results. Getting results means your AI automation system must work. It should give you what you are looking for. And the end result is actually land a job. Now, here is the point. Have you invested in my program? If not, why not? Don't worry, I'm not asking you to invest. What I'm asking you is think about your psychology. You don't just randomly invest in a program or a course or a software. You only do it when you really need it. And most people keep waiting until they are at the last point, the high time. Now, they need it. They need it so badly that they are looking for results yesterday. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. Landing a job is something similar to this. An employer pays you salary. They only pays you salary when they really need it. Landing a job is similar. An employer doesn't want to spend money. So sadly, no employer wants to hire a new employee unless you make yourself so important that they're looking for you since yesterday. The point I'm trying to make is that it is not easy. So you may land a job or you may not land a job, but when your AI automation gets you results, gets you outputs, the way it is shown in this video, then it's a success. Whether you get a job or not, now you can build more AI automations to do more tasks for yourself and get paid by helping others. Does that make sense? So this H stands for helping others. Now when you help others and they actually get help, get testimonial, collect testimonial. in a written or a video format and get their permission to use this testimonial. Help as many people as possible, and probably you will have to do it for free, at least at the beginning. And by now you must be bored. Mosh, where is money? So far, I did not see money. I am here to make money. Show me money. Money is here, my friend. T stands for teach. Now you become a teacher. You can have your own course. You can have your own program. And through this course and programs, you teach others and make money. And in fact, at this point, you can make thousands of dollars. Let's go back again. Whether you actually land a job or not, you have acquired enough knowledge to even start teaching for free. That's crazy, because although a lot of people want my program access for free, nobody wants to teach for free. That's crazy. But if you look at this guy, well, he's a generous guy. He has taught for free and he's asking for nothing. But look at this guy. He's smart. He's teaching higher, bigger, better, and deeper. Like literally 1 hour 44 minutes long complete course on the latest and the hottest Cloud 3.7 core. Unbelievable. Cloud 3.7 is the latest update of Cloud AI platform. And this update was done in just a couple of days back. And he has gone crazy, pumping out content, new videos, and now a long course to show everything for free. And why is that? To establish authority and trust. So serious people can go to his description and actually click any of his links and buy one of his programs, or maybe a course, or join his paid community group. The first link will take you to this page. You book a strategy session with him and it will take you to a high ticket program. You probably end up paying starting from $2,000 to way up to $20,000 based on your need and his offer. Or you click here and join his paid group. It's $49 a month and he already has 211 members. That's $10,339 right here. Or you click on this link and some AI time machine method. When you book a call, you again go through a high ticket sales process. Oh, okay. It's already mentioned that what's the cost? $1,500 per month. So he doesn't want you to book a call without knowing the price. That's a good strategy. Basically filtering the tire kickers before they even book a call. Or you click this link. It says it's a free training. So basically you have to opt in and give up your name and email and phone number. There's nothing wrong with that. He will follow up with you through emails and SMS and WhatsApp maybe, and eventually promote something so you can buy and get some help from him. Or there is another mastermind. That's $100 consulting call. So did you understand where the money is? Even if we didn't see any other sales results, we can clearly see how much money he makes from his paid group. $10,000 only from this paid group. He learned the light system very well. Learn the new, implement it, get results for yourself, help others, and then go teach and make big money. Now this whole system may look like a lot of work to you. I do understand. And that's why there is another solution for lazy people like me and busy people like you. That system is 99% done for you. AI-powered digital marketing. In this system, basically all the technical work is done for you. Here is a member of our 99% done for you system. And that's how these beginner students earn high-ticket affiliate commissions from our program. You don't have to worry about it. There is a complete training that shows you step by step what exactly we do, how we do, and how our 99% done for you system can help you make money like this. The training link is dropped in the description below. Enjoy learning the full system step by step. And at the end, if you think it's a good program, it fits your need, want, and lifestyle, then just follow through and sign up to the program. And if you still have questions, you can click right here and chat with this AI chatbot. It is trained to give you all the information you need. And if you're still not satisfied, send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook and ask me any questions that you might have. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. We'll see you there. If this video was good, click the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.